Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to ZAMAN IT. This is my second video of WhatsApp marketing. I have some more option in here, like you can filter WhatsApp number. Let's say I click tools option, uh, WhatsApp number filtering option. Click start now. Then I upload my Excel file. This is my collected number. Uh, then I click to initiate. My WhatsApp is initiated. Status initializing. Status initiated. Uh, I click start button. Okay, upload Excel. This is my number. Click start. A number was filtering. Okay. See this one. This is number column. This is status column. This number is not available in the WhatsApp. uh, is not used in the WhatsApp. Then its number is available. Okay. If you click export available, the numbers that have WhatsApp will be downloaded to the Excel file. This is number filter in available. Just click save. Okay. From here we will get another advantage. This is the in case of extracting data from Google. Now I got this. Just Google Map data extractor. I click on grab now. Click button start to open browser. Let's click start. Here I will give a keyword that I want to data of which place. I gave the keyword software company in Dubai. Uh, Du- Dubai. Click add. Now search. Okay. You can see that Google Maps open. This is our software. Google Map is open in the background. Now I click start driving. Okay, status is running. Count on data comes in the display. This mobile number in display, name of the company, review category, and address is here showing. And now you will think that your aunt has got the data because here you have text. If you wait, you will stop after the complete data comes. After stopping the exporting, uh, just click stop and export. This is Excel file created. Just give a name, data, click save. This is our overall solution in sending message, WhatsApp number filtering, and Google Map data extractor. You will like it. Stay with us. Thank you.